Welcome to Griffin Web Design and Marketing Video Tutorials. In this video tutorial, we are going to review how to add and edit images that have been uploaded or that you need to upload to your server so that they can be placed in the content and the pages of which you'd like to review and made live on your website. So let's get started. On this particular page of our mock website, I'd like to place an image here under our mission to the left of this mock lorem ipsum text. If I go back to our main page and I place my cursor where I'd like to insert the image, there's a button here, Image. So let's left click that. There's a URL window here with a Browse Server button to the right. If we select that, then it will open a new window. Now, if we've previously uploaded the image of interest, it will be in the folder most likely that you open to. If not, then use the Browse button down here to navigate to the picture on your computer and upload. When you've browsed and selected, it will upload here with this button to the directory that you're currently working in. At that point, you'll be able to select the image by selecting it like this, and you'll be able to hit OK to insert it. But before you do, let's show a couple features. The dimensions are very important when inserting images. They're important because if you insert too large of a graphic, it will actually distort your page. You'll notice that there is a lock icon here. It's the lock ratio. If it remains clicked, this is the unlocked icon and this is the locked icon. You can change one of the numbers and it will automatically, keeping the ratio correct, it will change the other number for you. You can play with this number any which number of ways. What it is doing in the background is not modifying your image, but modifying the resolution by which your browser will render this image at. Keep in mind, if you have uploaded a graphic that is considerably large in size, you will not want to just modify the dimensions here to make it smaller. You will want to use some type of graphic editing software to upload a smaller version of the graphic. By presenting a web page with too many large graphics, and by large I mean file size, images that are more than half a meg or more than 512 kilobytes in size, if you need more help with this, go ahead and email us, contact@griffinwebdesign.com. Fundamentally though, you want to remember that when you're uploading images, you're uploading an image that will render quickly, even if your end user does not have the quickest internet connection. While in today's day and age, most users do have high-speed internet, when you are placing graphics on a web page, graphics and video content or media content are going to be what slow down pages the most. If users become impatient with the speed at which the content is loading on your website, they'll move on. So, you'll want to upload graphics that are very small in size as far as file size. Maybe that means they've been optimized. If you're working with a graphics engineer or some type of graphics editor, they'll know how to best optimize the images for presentation on your website. There are a couple other features that you can do. You could add a border, which will create a black box, and you could add some spacing around the image to give it some what we call padding. And then you could also choose an alignment. When you're finally done, click OK, and it will insert your image. Clicking Save will commit your changes, and refreshing the page that you had added the image to will go ahead and commit the changes there as live. So let's go back and review. When you want to add an image to a page, you place your cursor where you'd like to add the image. You click this button here for image. Either upload a new image from your computer, or if an image is already on the server, select it. Once it's selected, it'll populate the content here. While we didn't cover the alternative text box, this is text that if an individual or an end user is using a browser that is reading to them, such as a visually impaired viewer, the alternate text is used so that when the browser is rendering the page and it is speaking the content on the web page to them, a visually impaired viewer when the images are rendered, if they are not able to see them, the alternate text, whatever is there, will be read aloud to the end user. So perhaps a descriptive text here would be helpful. Again, place the width and the height. Remember the lock ratio button. You can change border and horizontal space and vertical space, and when you're done, you click OK. This will add the image to your website, and when you're done, you click the Save button. And that's all there is to it. If there's something that we didn't cover in this video tutorial, feel free to reach out to us at contact@griffinwebdesign.com. Thanks for watching.